What's going on, Unstoppable family? So people, if you are one of those persons who believe in aliens or species from another planet, then this video right here, you may just find interesting. Now you probably wonder what me I talk about. Well, me I go tell you right now. Apparently, allegedly, there was this funny looking weapon, a sword to be exact, that was discovered in Jamaica by JDF officers, and them a label it the baphomet sword.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So viewers, before the break, I tell you know about this sword that was discovered by JDF officers in Jamaica, and them call it the baphomet sword. This right here is the picture of the sword that was discovered by a couple JDF officers, which is now taking social media by storm. And people, me no know, as me say, if you no believe in aliens or demonic spirits and stuff like that, you may find this kind of video interesting and this kind of discovery, right? Now many persons are already assuming that this sword right here will not make it to actual news programs because, you know, because of some kind of cover up. But by many persons, I'm speaking mainly of the Viral King himself. You know, him did have to weigh in on this because the Viral King is one of them man who actually believes in aliens. So make we take a listen to what the Viral King have to say.
We're going to talk about this sword now. This sword, where them allegedly found up a camp, right? Very historic thing. Very powerful thing. Then, first question everybody asks, where it a do down there? Okay. Me, always telling you, there are things called extraterrestrial beings. Other words called alien. Alien mean not of here. From different dimension. When you say I'm mad, when you say girl a mad me, when you say dopey box me, when you say a bag of thing. Now this sword today helps to prove and confirm that we are not alone. We are not alone here. Now, a lot of people don't know you have things called portals, which are like gateways to the universe. Earth is built with a protective circumference with many portals to enter and leave from they were closed. Man fascinated by what's outside of the realm where God put to live. So man start search, man start fast, man start find out what portal area and open them and can't lock them back. So, once portal open, you know, it trigger off the universe, the rest of the world, them in the universe. So, you know, they want to find out what go on here, so where this open, because they want to remember Earth a God gift to humans. People and forces out there want to mash up that long time. Lucifer and them friend, they want to mash up Earth long time. See? So, watch this now. I can guarantee you that sword something and now go viral on the news. If it wasn't for social media, we wouldn't know say that sword they are Jamaica and get found at Jamaica. Would I in the dark? Because the news now go bring it. If the news do bring it now, I, O'Neal Footahype Thomas, guarantee you them are gonna say it fake. Who I bet? Who I bet? Who I bet say, if the news bring that sword story here, them are gonna say it fake. Who I bet? Anyway, people tend to find me. People tend to have their own terminology of footahype. Some people say me an idiot, me a lunatic, yeah? See it? Somebody say it is fake. Anyway, in the US, the people that were connected to this spiritually, powers-wise, are going to come feed. What am I gonna do? I bring a replica somewhere and put it down and go. It could have gone already. Remember them people when we were talking about now for travel by plane and book ticket and them something then. Shapeshifters and them things they have to use plane, you know, and bus, you know. Them travel by light speed, you know. Space travel them deals, you know. And come through portal and them thing there. So them don't need no plane ticket, no, but them come for that. Them two soldiers, they go that dead already, you know. We find that, you know. Them two soldiers, go that dead already. If them not dead, you gotta hear them soldiers, their family say them not a memory or them mother not eat out a rubbish pan. Them all do them something. You understand? Them all do them something. Because I just fascinated the soldier, them fascinated and take the picture, you know. If you notice that two soldiers have to hold the sword when they take the picture, you know. And not fake something that, you know. And that are centuries here holding up. And you see that, and you see the craftsmanship and the sword, you know. You know, say, and on the regular, that are from way back. Probably a titanium make that the sword there, you know. So, me say that for say this. When always say me a lunatic. Always say me a chat foolishness. And nothing of the name alien. Some of you don't understand the meaning of the word alien. It means anything that is not of here. You're alien. Like when we go to England, we are legal alien. The America, we are legal alien. If you go without papers, you're an illegal alien. So why these big first world countries are going to use the word alien if nothing are going to name some? Why is NASA been operating for so many centuries if there's no such thing as alien? If there's no such thing as space or life form in a space, why is NASA running up to today? Why do they have special forces that go to space? Just think. Okay, so I said this to say this because I want to get to this point. I said, listen, them have a portion of them people are run test span and them thing, you know. I send out one and say, I could see how methods them are work. I could send him out in the world and see how them react if them get crazy and everybody run. Nobody no run. Because them have conditioned their mind on TV so long. So them people are part of society. And them kind of people here. That's why them have Lord of the Rings, Twilight, them have what the next one name? With the Harry Potter. Them have the whole of them movie they condition their mind. So when you see one of them now, you say, sure. You say, sure. And one day on the basketball field, I play basketball every day. Every day I watch NBA and I say, watch ya. Watch ya. I say, look here. Look how them have an extraterrestrial being and play NBA and them pussy warrior accost me, say me a madman. I'm going to sit down and look for you and laugh at you because I say me mad when I'm mad. When I live in the matrix. When I run on this 9 to 5 money and this Benz and this Beamer and this Gucci and this Prada and this Fendi. Only life I pass on by. Them I take our spirit and our soul and everything. While when I run on money and them own money. Because money and paper. So you gotta feed them that got eliminate money. And Saddam Hussein and them kill them. Because they want to keep on in another matrix there, brother. And me just a laugh. And me just a smile. Because who no take me for idiot, but who no see an idiot to himself. The man there out there play basketball every day. I already commented. I know the man that shoot free throw. Hear them. Oh my God. His hands are so huge. Like, where did he get those hands? The man knows longer than a gear stick in a car. It's a whole race of these people. Where them have them a hide. Which pound of them a hide. Where them there? So you just send out one, put him out into the world to see how react. None of the basketball player them not a problem, them not ask other brother so Big how him ears so fuck up, how him nose so long, how him ear grow in here so like the orc them.
Footahype say aliens living amongst us. People, is that true or not true? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. But also, I want on a serious note, give your views and your take on that sword. Yeah, this very sword right just up on the screen. Take a good look on it. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. What is your thoughts on this old sword that was discovered in Jamaica? Viewers, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.